从头开始。Alright.
I'm recording it.
Okay. So menu.
Yep.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. We'll just enter an address. Just say right.
Okay.
Okay. Streamline picture agency. Oh, just keep scrolling. Okay.
If you push the knob,
Yeah, you can go up and down, isn't it?
yeah, push the knob and then you can go stage by stage. This way you're going all... No. That's what to select. But if you want to go step by stage, okay?
Yeah.
Where are you? Goodbye.
Push. 然后再往右边。
Where? You haven't finished yet?
I'm on my way now.
Alright, bye.
Space 就这样。然后再
Where are you? Where are you now?
In the city.
Oh man. You missed one to the airport, bye. Anyone there?
Yeah.
Bye.
你看怎么下去可以去到那边。
Oh, that's interesting. I've not.
Yeah. You got 6 keys here.
Huh?
You got 6 keys. Alright.
Where are you?
That's right.
Not good. Bye. Now, if you do similar,
Yeah.
you change the whole map. I tried to do this.
You mean what?
Start now, yeah?
Yeah, start. What do you mean?
Oh, no, it's similar.
Why you have so many phones? 3 phones all together.
What's the sound? Because you're using...
Homebush to the airport, 401. وانا مخبى انت.
بنركب يا عمو
روح على Nissan. Drive in the driveway. After the security immediately on your right, Nissan. S70 to the airport.
Which one?
Nissan. You drive inside the compound.